There are a lot of steps, but the benefit is, if you do come up here, you get some amazing views of Filey Beach. So today we're in Filey, which is a small town just south of Scarborough. It has 3 different haven sites. We're staying in one. So we come down to the beachfront to have a look at the promenade and the beach. A few notable things about Filey is Leo Blair, Tony Blair's dad, was from here, born here, so that went well for the world. Hopefully the rest of the town is much better. So let's go and take a look. So apparently we're now in Filey, and this is called Martin Ravines Beach, so it looks like we're going for a bit of a walk. So let's stroll down onto the beach. So dogs are banned part of the year, but that ban is off, and you will see it is like Battersea down here. People love to take their dog for a walk on the beach. Or is it the dog taking the person for a walk? Beautiful October day. In fact, it's actually Halloween today. You wouldn't think you'd get this level of sun at Halloween in a northern British seaside town, would you? Look at this. I think this is where there's a little freshwater stream comes out and then makes its way to the sea. This is Filey Beach. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just up here is the promenade, so let's go and check it out.
Come on! Where's the bait?
Like an edge that needs to follow you.
And we have a fishy hopscotch, I think. Cod, crab, dab, haddock, herring, mackerel, salmon, lobster place. Beats numbers. A little Lido, very little Lido, very shallow. In fact, this puddle here looks bigger than the Lido. Imagine living in these beautiful houses, having a balcony there that looks out over Filey Bay, or beach. I suppose you call it beach. Absolutely beautiful. Would you want to live there? Or let us know in the comments. Please remember to give us a subscribe to the channel, like the video, pop a comment down below, and stay tuned for new videos. Also, if you like my videos, I'll be setting up a Patreon and a PayPal soon. So to keep the channel going and to keep me travelling and reviewing, any donation will be very appreciated. Thank you all very much. Obviously has all the traditional seaside shops. Definitely get your windbreaker if you come into Filey. You have teas, coffees, ice creams, the usuals. Obviously the old toilets. And then further up here, we've got the main portion of the promenade to come. Also, when the tide goes out, you're left with these sort of lakey bits on the beach. I used to love these as a kid because I hated waves. So I used to sit in here like it was my own personal swimming pool.
One, two, three, 4, 5.
Good old crazy golf by the beach. Your very own giant lobster. And then what have we got here? Bouncy castle. Some small fairground rides. Keep the kids entertained. Haven't seen an arcade yet though. There's the arcades. Fish and chips, waffles, seafood, fresh seafood, nice, very nice. And then I think this is the lifeboat house, just here. Bayview restaurant, family friendly, dog friendly. Look at all these boats. The Life of Filey, what a name. Morning Mist, Gemini. Oh, here we go, Funland Amusements. And we're right at the bottom now, so well, we got a gift shop and then the rest of the beach.